in the middle of my breakup. So now that I'm back on the market, I'm definitely shaving more. Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a breakup glow up video. There's nothing like going through a breakup and coming online to talk about it. So right now I'm kind of putting myself back out there. Sometimes it's on dates, sometimes it's browsing the aisles, doing one of my favorite activities, going to Shoppers to see what's new because they've always got the new goodies. That's one relationship that stayed consistent in my life. So thank you to Shoppers Drug Mart for sponsoring this video and supporting a newly single cat mom. Say thank you. The good old breakup glow up. Oh, and it's perfect timing because it's the All About New event where they have over 100 new products, all with like tons of deals, PC Optimum offers. I picked up my top 10 best deals, best products. Let's go. Oh, and it's in store, but also if you're still in the stay in bed stage of your breakup, they'll ship it right to you. Link in the description. I'm gonna get started a little out of order with my products because I got direct feedback on a date about this product recently and I love it too, so I'm like, okay, I gotta tell you about this. It's so good. I've been waiting for it to come to Canada. It's the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Gel Oil. I've already used. They sent me a fresh one for this video. I've used so much of it and a little goes a long way. It's got 100% pure cocoa butter in there, so it's like super smooth. It looks beautiful on the skin. My date had great things to say about it. She loved it. I'll definitely be repurchasing this and it's perfect because it's buy two get 2,000 PC Optimum points back. That's like $2 back. I'll be stocking up. I need at least 2 more. Summer's coming. Whether you're going through a breakup or just going through it, getting a shower and washing your hair feels like you've solved all your problems, at least momentarily. So I've been loving this Kristen S Peptide Bond Repair Shampoo. First of all, it smells like jelly beans or something, but it's been a really nice addition to my curly hair routine. It's a sulfate-free shampoo, but you still get like a really nice lather. If you haven't tried their stuff yet, it's great. So I've been going on a couple dates and I've been going to like some dating events, some singles events. Like, guys, I cannot even believe how much I've been putting myself out there lately. Like, it's almost like I'm having an out-of-body experience watching myself be so social, but I'm washing my hair a lot more lately and so glad to have a big old bottle of curly hair products. It's not crunchy and I love anything that has that kind of like jelly texture. And this is like day 5 or 6 hair. I just realized that another consistent relationship in my life has been acne. Isn't that a delight? But I'm very familiar with Panoxyl and I'm so glad that we've got a new cleanser from them. This is the Panoxyl Acne Gel Wash. This is a great like date prep product because not only does this leave my skin feeling like more smooth and more matte, but it's not dry. It's not like, you know, that tight feeling. I actually just had to grab this out of my shower because I use it on my armpits too. Pre-date, you know, I'm a sweaty girl. I'm medicated. Hey, I'm working here. So now that I'm back on the market, I'm definitely shaving more, or at least like more than I was in 2025. I'll say that for sure. And for the first time, I'm getting all this irritation, bumps, ingrowns, darkness. Like I never had that before. So anyways, I was very curious to try this. It's the Gillette Venus for pubic hair and skin. It's got this anti-irritation barrier. I mean, first of all, I just love this color blue. It's my favorite color. This is a really good offer if you want to be like smooth and stink free because it's 15,000 PC Optimum points when you spend $75 or more on the Gillette Venus, Olay, Old Spice, Secret products. And with $15 back in points, you've only spent $60 on all those new products, so that's girl math, baby. I've been using facial towelettes for the past couple of years, and I either have to order them online or scour the city on foot, and especially since I've moved, it's been so much harder to find them. So I'm so excited that Clean Skin Club is now at Shoppers Drug Mart. These are like, first of all, the box is so cute, and these are compostable. These are the XL size, so basically instead of using like a towel that can harbor a lot of bacteria, I can't do that much laundry, guys, okay? I live in a 600 square foot condo. These are so nice for my acne girlies or if you wear makeup, a lot of makeup, and it just feels like a really gentle way to like pat your skin dry, and it just feels like an extra little skincare luxury. Love. I'm putting this back in, and I don't share these, okay? I don't share these with dates. Ooh, okay, this I'm so excited about. I have a kombucha toner, if you know the one I'm talking about. It was like $90+, but my skin loves anything fermented, so I'm so excited to try this Thayer's Oil Balancing Jelly Toner. Also, anything that says jelly, you know I love. It's like super light moisture. You can layer it up. Feels beautiful under makeup. It's got salicylic acid in there. Helps to control oil, but it's not drying at all. It's like beautiful. Mwah, love. I just started testing out this L'Oreal Age Perfect Cell Renewal Serum. It's a 2-in-1, so it's got like these 2 little pumpy guys there for firmness, for radiance, but it's kind of like a serum, but it just makes your skin look really good. So I've mixed it into foundation for like a super light dewy look, or I've also used it on date night as like a, yeah, I woke up like this, like my skin totally has this natural glow. Yeah. If you followed me for a while, you know how much I love Neutrogena Hydro Boost and how much I love the scent of Neutrogena Hydro Boost, but I know a lot of you are looking for a fragrance-free option. So she's here and she's good, okay? She's got a pump. It's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer SPF 50. Fragrance free, no white cast. It's a moisturizer, it's your SPF, again 2-in-1. I love Neutrogena, I love Hydro Boost. I have the craziest story of one time I shot a campaign for Neutrogena in the middle of my breakup. The day my life fell apart, I was like, I've got a SPF campaign to shoot. And here we are again. Life gets better. It's gotten better. But if you want to try this Hydro Boost or any of the other ones I've recommended over the years, it's great because you can get 5,000 PC Optimum points when you buy any participating Neutrogena Hydro Boost products. That's like $5 back. I'm always excited to try new pimple patches. So these are the Garnier pimple patches. These are said to be invisible. There's 22 in there. But what I find really cool about these is there's 2 different sizes, because sometimes you just have like a little pimple. I'm like, I don't want to waste a patch. So you got a little ones and a little bit bigger one. Flattened out this huge old pimple that I had on my face. Like, it was a juicy one and it did really good flattening it like overnight, and then after 2-3 days, gone. My pearly whites do get some attention on my dating profile, and I've been using the Crest 3D White Deep Stain Remover. Whiter teeth in just 1 day. The most beautiful packaging I've ever seen on a toothpaste. So not only did I get all these new finds, fun things to play around, add to the glow up routine, become myself again, a better version, I also racked up over $50 in PC Optimum points, which means the next time it all falls apart again, I can update my glow up routine again. So there's tons of bonus points, deals, offers to go around. The All About New event at Shoppers Drug Mart until March 27th in store and online. Everything I mentioned will be down below if you want to check it out for yourself. Bye!